We are at Harveys, South Lake Tahoe. We are in room 1638. And as you walk in, you are greeted with the closet, open concept, I guess. And then there is a safe and a little storage box or whatever. Iron, extra bedding stuff, ironing board, and a luggage rack. This is one of the newly remodeled rooms.
Less than a year.
Yeah, less than a year. We remodeled it within the past year. So you walk into like this hallway, right? You have this long mirror here, vanity mirror. Before I move on, I just want to say these light switches, you can't see it, but they have like the slider. If you slide it down, it dims the room. The bathroom has the same thing going on, so you can dim the bathroom lights. All right, I'll show you the bathroom later. As you walk in, it's a pretty big room. I mean, there's a lot of space. This is a long desk area. You can put so much stuff on it. Of course, it's got the drawers. And then this probably was where the refrigerator goes, but they took it out. Now, huge TV, right?
It's not that big.
I think it's huge. But
I like the windows.
I was gonna say it's dark because it's past 10 o'clock. We rolled into town pretty late, but you have two bedside tables on each side. You have some reading lights up above, right? And switches on each side that control the lights. You have an outlet with 2 USB ports, so that's cool. It's helpful. Some artwork. Hog thinks a white geometric shape thing. Glob might be representative of the Lake Tahoe, I don't know. We'll do the bed check later. But it's pretty cool because this room, the windows angle out. So that's cool.
Yeah, you get like a 180.
Yeah.
You can see the other casinos. Harris,
Yeah,
over here.
Well, you see Mount
Blue and Harris.
Blue. I think you could see it. I don't know. There's a lot of glare.
Yeah.
But we'll show you in the morning. Anyway, we probably should have done the room review when there's daylight.
How much was this?
I forgot, but I will get back to you all about how much that was. But yeah, I mean, it's not overly decorated. A lot of space. A lot of space. Of course, this side also has the USB outlets and the outlet itself.
And it's nice not having the popcorn ceiling.
Yes. So, and it's a king size bed, so that's cool. But yeah, this room is huge. You could do like so many activities in here. All right, now the bathroom.
Oh. And I've already used part of it.
Oh God. Anyway, this is a huge this is what sold me on the room, okay? It's just that there's so much space. You have like this little seating area here, like a little vanity area where you can do your makeup. It's also got this little lighted, magnified mirror.
Bright lights.
Bright lights. You have One sink, but that's okay. You could have probably done a double sink in here. The toilet closet, it has a door, so if I'm showering and Hog needs to make a deposit, he can do so in peace. So again, shelving, just plenty of storage places where you can just put your stuff. Another vanity mirror. Oh man, I could put so much stuff here. And then the shower. Very, very spacious, I think. Right?
For short people, yeah. Not a rain
It's
shower.
not that short. It's not a rain shower.
Yeah, but we're short.
But you know what? Both me and Mike, we have a lot of stuff. Here, and you can't see it. I gotta open it up. We have a lot of stuff that we use when we shower together. So that's not enough space. We'll probably have to put some of it like on the floor in the corner, but it looks clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, looks clean. But this is a huge bathroom. I mean, look at this. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. You know, this hotel's been around for a while, and the elevator area, you could tell, you know, it's a little dated, but we will be comfortable for the next 3 nights. I have a feeling. We still have to do the bed check. If the bed check clears, then we will have a true comfortable 3 nights without having to worry about moving around, right?
Yeah.
So this is it. This is a newly remodeled room at Harveys.
And they have a casino.
They have a casino. You'll probably see it later. We're not familiar with how strict they are with filming here. I'm sure they are.
We'll have to get kicked out to find out.
That's a new shirt. We'll have to get kicked out to find out.